Start the recording, and now I'm gonna make you host, Yusuf.
Okay.
Nazim, you're going to share your screen, right?
No,
Initially, Yusuf will, I think, engineer
Okay,
yeah,
usually.
Yusuf.
yeah,
Okay,
I
okay.
will, but first I have to ask you because I have the other group member. He need help with structure analysis.
Structural analysis.
Yes, he needs with the visual analysis and Revit. All this, he did not complete anything.
Okay, okay. So that will be gonna be happen with the structural engineer. Okay, so probably I need to set up a session with the structural engineer guy in that case, because Nazim is a MEP engineer. So
Oh,
for the structural one, we have to connect with the structural guy. All right.
okay, no problem. Yeah, let me know, please, because I have to tell him.
Yeah, sure. One thing you can do, you can send me the details of what the structural details you guys are looking for, so that I can review with my structural guy. Okay.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, sure.
thank you.
I make you host, Yusuf. You can share your screen.
Hello, Nazim.
Hello,
Hello, Nazim. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. I just want to make sure if you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see you soon.
Okay. So, actually,
Yeah, can you just give me 10 seconds?
yeah, sure, sure.
Just 10 seconds. Okay, thank you. Yes, engineer.
Yes. Um, Now, actually, on the previous presentation,
Yes.
like last semester, I saw this a student like on the surface room. He posted like he put transformer, main
Okay.
distribution panel, and panel board.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
I'm not sure if I have to put all this or just the panel board right now. Um, Also,
Actually,
mm,
generally, if there are multiple panel board, because this is see, one MDB is going to be there, because individually each space should have a breaker board, so that all the accessories which are in that vicinity, for example, if there's a exhibition hall, not everybody is going to go to the main room and switch off everything in case required. So sometimes, because this may be a different project, which this is, I think, what kind of project is this? Is the same
no,
kind of project?
yeah, this is just example of the previous students who did.
Because if it depends on the project also. Generally, if it's a institution or residential project or hotel project, then we need local panel board everywhere, and there is going to be a MDB also. But in case, like in your case where you have exhibition hall, not necessary in all the spaces that we have a panel board, but every generally it's going to be there, so we can put all the three. in this area also. MDP main distribution board panel and panel board, and we can put it that way. I think it's going to, in our case also, we'll put it like that, like this.
Oh,
So
okay.
transformer is anyway going to be there, one transfer for entire space, and that is going to supply to MDP, and that is going to further supply to various panels, P1, P2, P3, P4, like that.
Because like the professor had said, the commercial building should use 480 by 277 plus the 208 by 120.
Yes, he was
This-
right.
Yeah, and so yeah, because that's why I have to ask before. I cannot just put panel board because without this the transformer and the MDP.
Right.
So,
Actually, because the standard, the distribution system that we are going to use is, like you said, 480 by 277 and 208 by 120. That is
Okay.
the standard that we have in mostly in all the places in US. So, and especially commercial building, like you said, because they have the kind of fixtures that we use, either it is 120 volt or 480, so 277.
Okay.
And yeah, so it's going to be like that. Also like that, we will be changing the transformer standard. So in Revit, generally we have this 480 by 277 and 208 by 120. This is the default value that we have. Not, you don't have 480 by 250 available anyway.
Okay.
No, okay, this one is ampere rating, no? This is 250 is the ampere rating and 480 is the voltage rating. So ampere rating is again going to vary as per the kind of how many fixtures we have in that panel. Yeah, so 250 is ampere current, 480 is voltage. And so generally there are three things, no? Power, current, and voltage.
Okay.
And power is generally equal to VI, that is voltage into ampere. So generally, what is the total amount of volt ampere needed that we that we get from all the fixtures? Like you have already installed some of the fixtures, so all the fixtures, they come in wattage or VA, and depending on that wattage, then we calculate how much electricity consumption is going to be there. So that's altogether a different thing. But for panel looping and all, voltage rating and ampere rating is enough. So voltage rating, it's already mentioned. We'll put 480 by 277, the MDP, and individually 208 by 120.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay.
Also,
We'll
like,
see that.
yeah. For like next time, I hope because this is the address for my project actually, and yeah, and there is some commands. I need to do the natural
Lighting analysis.
Yeah,
Daylight analysis.
Yeah, because we have a glass here, so because we have to see if there is a chance that we can adjust the height of the glass, if we can make the glass shorter, or because I mean, if there is too much heat consumption in the
Yeah. Definitely.
yeah, we can adjust the height of the glass, but first we have to do the light analysis that we did not complete the last time.
Okay. So lighting analysis, I did not know that you were supposed to do, because we were doing this thing. No, I was because we started with lighting installation immediately. So analysis and all, I did not even have. I mean, I thought that was already overlooked by you. So this we can do, no problem. So
Yeah.
we will start with lighting analysis, right?
Yes.
So first we will start with lighting analysis. After that, like you have already mentioned, how to fix. Okay. Then can you tell me like what next?
Yes, because if this is the case that we can adjust the glass height, we can put ceiling. because the ceiling will be hidden, you know, and there is many types of ceilings that we can put.
Yeah, so this is what I was asking, you know, no, at that time,
Yeah.
all the time I was asking you, ask, because I told you also that there, because this information was not given by me, by Engineer Abdulaziz to me. He just
Yes.
said, put it like that. So I put it without ceiling. Then I asked you, because ducting is not a problem. It can be with ceiling without, but lighting is a big problem for, you know, you need to decide what kind of ceiling. Every area will have different ceiling, because what kind of things you have in that space, and you know, what do you want to expose, which area you want more. So this is very good. Like, you have found out that now suspended ceiling for this one is there, educational place and gift shop, beam ceiling for entrance. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this beam ceiling is false ceiling or without false ceiling? I think there is no false ceiling, no? It's direct. No, there's.
Yeah, this is what like for patio, for example, the I search, it said that covering ceiling is the best for patio. This is what the research shows, you know. But
Okay.
what I have found that ceiling is good to insulate the sound and heating and everything. So
Yeah.
this is why we might need the ceiling, because it has advantages, right?
Yeah, definitely. See,
Yeah.
to be very honest, I'm a mechanical engineer, and like, I do not have authority to say anything on that, because this is, I mean, a topic for an architectural professional. But definitely I agree with you that ceiling has many advantage. If we have space to put ceiling, false ceiling, I mean, we can put it. It has many advantages, but that totally depends on what kind of architecture aesthetics is needed. So, because, you know, as a mechanical engineer, we only support you guys. So,
Yeah.
yeah, kind of that. So I think we can go with that, what you're saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also, like,
But
yeah,
then again, we'll have to decide which area, like you have already mentioned some of them,
yeah.
which area has what kind of ceiling.
uh,
So I think that's okay. Yeah,
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 but
please.
do you think that it will take a lot of time to do this kind of ceilings, or it's just regular session, it will be fine?
Ceiling, see, if it's beam ceiling and all, it will take a lot of time,
Oh,
because these generally in default, it has a library. Revit has a library. If
uh,
you see ceiling, there are two types of ceiling available in Revit. One is the sketch ceiling and one is the automatic ceiling. The ceiling which is available by default is the grid ceiling. That is that grid ceiling 60 by 600 by 600 by 600 That is 2 feet by 2 feet, and compound ceiling, which is plain ceiling. But if you know, if you need cove and all, and you need beam ceiling, these need to be created. It will take time, and I will not do it. Uh, I think you'll
okay.
have to sit 1 hour with. If you need help, one of my colleague, he's an architect, he can help you. He's an expert in Revit, so he can help you in that. Like, we can say, I can tell it to Mr. Sumit, because I do not cover. I mean, if it's a simple ceiling, like which I created in the model that I shared with you, if it's a simple ceiling, just like straight ceiling and like that, not a problem. But these ceiling that you see, the beam ceiling and all, these they have to be customized.
Okay, okay.
These are
Yeah.
not available readily in by default in Revit. You're getting my point, right?
Yes, yes, I
Yeah.
understand.
So it will take time. How much time it will take, that guy can only say, because if I do it for you also, I'm not the right guy to do it. Like, I'll make a lot of error.
No, yeah, I
I don't
understand.
want
No,
to.
it's,
Yeah.
yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's no problem. It's fine. Well, we
Yeah.
can just do the lightning analysis, and if it's too much heat inside the building, we can adjust the height of the glass, and then by the natural analysis. But
Yeah, we can do that.
yeah, yes, but my question for you is there, like, if you need to adjust height of the glass, is it can be done by electrical template or architecture template?
Architecture.
Oh, so
Yeah.
in electrical work, you cannot do anything, right, for the glass?
No, for architecture, because we are, we are linking the architecture file.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, it's like creating an external reference.
Yes.
So it's like a foreign file. I cannot change anything. I cannot, modify anything. All I can do is use it as a reference in my template, in my electrical file. But if I want to modify anything in architecture file, I have to go back to the architecture file, open it, and then in the original file I can do that. So these, I think, the mullions are there. These are, I think, storefront wall, made by storefront wall. And I have to थोड़ा सा
I also did the electrical.
okay.
I did complete the lightning. I put lightning
Yeah, I
inside
see.
the. But what happened is that all the boundaries are gone, are deleted, and I don't know why, and I'm not sure how to
No
restore
problem.
them.
You,
Yeah.
you can you open the Revit file?
Yeah, sure. Now
I'll tell you how to do that.
like yeah, if we can after this fix problem. Also, I need a review for the 0 foot candle that I
Yeah,
problem that I face.
right.
And also like how to change the 3D view, like because if I put the 3D, it still has only one shape. I want to change the shape. I'm not sure how.
No problem. We'll see
Yeah.
that. I think it's already open.
Space. It's not
Okay.
enough.
No problem. Just say okay. Think model, the link has broken. So you just have to link it back. Okay. Just that.
Okay. Yes, engineer. So can you take control of my screen, please?
Yeah. I'll request. I requested. So what we can do is we will first go to manage, and in manage we'll go to manage links. See, this model link is broken, so you need to link it back. So you click on this and reload from. Where is that file? Can you, architectural file? Can you locate it?
The architecture file.
Yeah, this file. FP senior.
Yes, FP senior. Okay.
The one that you had linked earlier. Yeah.
Yeah. Failed to open.
No, this is not. See, this name says FP for senior, but you are opening FP for senior 1.
Okay.
So you can also see,
Like add. Okay.
not add, reload from. Add will add will. I mean, it will again add. No, just click on this here on the name FP for senior 1. Oh, how
This
did
one?
it come? FP for senior 1. Yes, click on this. Reload from.
Reload.
Reload from. Yeah.
There is electrical and FP for senior, but this is what I have.
There is Bismillah. What is this Bismillah project?
Yeah, this one, the last file that I did. This file, the one that doesn't have boundaries.
So did you change the name? It did not have boundaries. Okay. So you have it somewhere else also? Anywhere FP? Yeah, this one maybe.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
think this should, yeah, loaded. You can just press OK.
Oh, okay. That's
And there
great.
you go. Yeah, so generally what happens, generally what, when an architect, in when you generally when an architectural team, they complete their model, then the MEP team starts their work. But we don't start work in your model. We have our own template. We link your file so that we do not change anything in your file. We link your file only for a reference. So sometimes when you change the location of architecture linked file, it will the PC will not be able to identify that file. If you change the name, if you change the location, so link will be broken. So you can just go to manage link and then reload from. If that file was added already before, you just have to reload from. That's okay, right?
Okay, yes.
So can you open the 3D now, 3D view?
Yeah.
So now you have section box open. So what you have to do is, you see this option there, there is this, you see here, section box. 1 second, I will show you. This is section box. This is available generally in 3D. Section box. It's kind of creating a section in 3D. So it's called section box.
Okay.
Till the time it is checked, it will show the only that area that you wanted. If you want to see everything, you just uncheck it. Just uncheck it and just click here. It will show you entire model. And then you can just clear all. Yeah, so like this. Now you can, anytime, you can activate it again, section box, and this box is going to appear like this here. And then you can, as per your requirement, going very big, drag it here and drag it here. And then you can drag it like this also. Just if you want to see from the top how your ceiling is looking. So it's going to show like this. And then if you want to see more, like from below, if you want to see, then you will have to see there are 2 arrows. So you will have to pull this arrow up. So like this you can see. And when you're done looking at this, like you see, okay, everything is fine. Then you can just click on that section box again. It will, this whatever is there, it will disappear again. I think sharing is okay. This will have to check. Just and I'll just first clear this thing. So it will show the entire building. Is this clear to you, engineer?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, I have the 0-foot candle problem again. So
Yeah. So 0-foot candle problem. Actually, we need to look at. If you go to, I think power, it's lighting, right? Sea level. So here, where do we have 0? Can you show me?
this one here.
Okay. So first, this is, I think, without ceiling. There's no ceiling here in this space. So we will select this area. I only want to see this area in 3D. So I'll drag this area, and in modify, there's an option called selection box. Click on this. You can see this area in detail. So what we see here, I will just take this a little here and keep this a little. So as you see, there is no ceiling actually in this place. This is without ceiling. I think this is entrance area or something like that. And this lighting should be up. No, how much is the height? Height is almost 12 feet. Now I need to look at, because lighting I am seeing in space. So I'll go to level, and then I'll go to power plan. Okay, here I need to go into this. I will check my space properties. So space, when I look at this, starting from 0 to 8 only. See, it's only going to 8 feet. The upper limit offset is 8 feet. Limit offset is 8 feet. And your light is at 12 feet. 1 second. We'll just check this thing here. See, this space is only till here. To increase this space. Now, if it is without ceiling, if this place you decide, for example, I'm just giving you an example. You see, there's a ceiling here, not here. I think this area we have kept it without ceiling. Let's suppose. So first of all, this light needs to be fixed. If this goes up, you'll have to take it to the top till your this thing, till the above ceiling slab, under the slab, and then you will have to also change the height of this. For example, if you keep it till here, let's suppose, you need to change this to 12 feet. Let's make it 12 feet, and let's check after that. I don't know. We'll check. 12 feet it will go. We'll go back to this ceiling space, and we will see the ceiling. And this is 14.98 foot candle.
Oh, okay. Now it's changed.
So because space needs to reach there. This foot candela, we are seeing in the space. Earlier the space was still below, till 8 feet only. Your lighting is at 12 feet. So your lighting was out of the space. And so for sure it will not show up in the foot candela. So either, now you have to decide now further that if this area is going to, remain as without ceiling, I mean exposed area, or with ceiling. If in that case, if it's without ceiling, then it cannot be suspended like this. No, this has to go here. Then again, you'll have to increase more. Space has to increase more offset. Then it will be more than 12 feet. You getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So that we can figure out. You got the. You saw what was the problem. This decision can be taken a little later once you finalize. Okay, we are going to keep it with ceiling, without ceiling. If it's without ceiling, then we'll have to increase the height of this lighting till the slab, or we'll change this light to another light, and then we will increase the space also. So two things we'll have to do. And if we want to put ceiling, then we'll put ceiling here at 12 feet. So generally, you already know how to put ceiling. You can just go to the space and go to architecture. Again, if you put ceiling here, that's a problem. Ceiling will come here, not a problem, but that will not be a part of architecture file. It's always better to put it in the architecture file. And that, because there is a live link you don't, it will automatically come here. Once you put there, you close the file and you come back here, open it, refresh it, it will come here automatically, the ceiling. So that I think you will need to decide. I mean, we can decide it later also. This problem you got, why it was showing 0 foot candle.
Okay. Yeah. I think also the problem is why we don't have lighting analysis is because we don't have the Insight plugin.
Inside plugin you don't have?
Yeah. Let's try and we can see what's the problem.
No. What is this? Which version is this?
There's the newest one to 2022.
Okay, 2022. So you have because 2022 you can download from here, like Autodesk connector, that you will have to log in. You have login credentials, right? For your this thing ID that you have.
Yes.
Then not a problem. Then you will be able to. Connector is there. No? So Insight lighting analysis is there. You try to access. So till 2020, it's easily available here. Above 2021, you need to go to account.autodesk.com and you will have to download it from there. It will ask for login. You can do the login credential and then you can, I think, can you do that? Like if you want, you can do it now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, wait for a second. Oh, is it sign in or no? I need to log in first.
Okay. You can control your mouse. So where are you from, engineer?
Architectural engineering.
Okay. No, I mean, where are you from?
Oh, me, I'm from Kuwait.
Kuwait. Okay, nice. Kuwait is a very nice city, I've heard. I've never been to Kuwait. I've been to Saudi Arabia. 3 years I was there in Tehran. There is a place.
Nice. Yeah, I never went to Saudi Arabia.
Okay. It's a border sharing, right? And one of the border is Saudi Arabia. I think it touches Kuwait. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's one side. It has one border, cross border with Qatar, one Dubai, Kuwait also, I think. How is the weather in Kuwait? Like it's hot and cold both?
Yeah, like now it's fine, but then only like in March it will be hot, warm, and yeah, it's really hot in May and August, July. It's really hot and humid, but
Okay.
yeah, no, I think it's not humid. It's really hot, but it's less humidity. Like here in Texas, here for example, it's very humid. Even in winter, we have humidity.
Okay.
And if it's
It has this coastal area also.
This cost like
you have seaside also there.
yeah, we have seaside.
Okay, I know this. There's a Dr. Abdul Rahman Al Sumait. It's a big philanthropist. He was from Kuwait. It's a very nice guy. Uh, he was a doctor, and he has. I was reading about him. He was a very nice guy. So he was also from Kuwait. Yes. So now what we have to do here, you have to go to product. You'll go to this thing. Products and services. This is there, no? Lighting analysis. This is entire website. I think you can save and close Revit for now. This is 2021. It says Autodesk Revit 2021.1.2. This is not 2022, no? It's just 2021, I think.
Maybe the file is old, but the version is new. Maybe I have the new, but this file is old. I'm not sure.
No, actually, why I'm saying, 1 second. I will give up control. I'll ask it again from you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you maximize it? Can you show me this Revit? See, it says 2021. It's not 2022.
Let me
Yeah.
see. What?
So the shortcut you have for Autodesk Revit, no, on your desktop, it might be there. So there it would be written. Yeah, it's 2021, no?
Oh, yes.
2021. Okay, no problem. So we'll just, so just we'll close this. So just you can save it and close your Revit first, because we'll download.
Okay. This is now it's saved. Like it's still have this.
Yeah, now it's saved. Just you saved it, right?
Yes.
Control S. Now it is going to be there. Not a problem. Just you close it. Close the application.
Okay, now closed. Uh, So now we put lighting analysis access now for this.
1 second. Just yeah. So yeah, you can, but we'll have to check actually. 1 second. Product updates. We'll have to put 2021 here. Can you click on this product updates? Or give me also, I will request this thing also. Remote
Yeah, you
control.
can. Okay, row.
I cannot scroll down. One second. This is 2022. We need it for 2021. All these 2022. Yeah, this one here. This we will download. Also, daylight solar also we will download, like for next time if you need it. You have to disable, browser pop-up blocker before downloading. It says pop-up blocker. Can you do that?
I don't know what's this, how to do this.
Okay, I generally there is a this thing. No, like let me check.
I think this, yeah, it's just a tips, no problem.
No, it is blocking. Here maybe your 1 second. I'll check. Generally in antivirus you have this thing. No, pop-up blocker. It will have. Not here, I think. Here we have something like site permission. Need to see pop-up. Where did that go? I think I have to check. Not there. Yeah. Yeah, it's downloading. I will block it again because maybe I'll just make it as it was before. Okay, we'll just It's in downloads, no? Can you check there?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
download.
Can you open and install that from there? RLIT. This is not this one. Okay. I mean, this is solar analysis. If it's happening, no problem. Just you can do it, and after that, you can do RLIT. Yeah. So this is there, no? Yeah. Which is asking permission here. You can install both of them.
Okay.
Yeah, you can minimize this. You can close this if you want. You can close this, not a problem.
So now,
So it is installed or what? So
Yeah.
can you open? Okay. Can you open that again? Downloads RLIT this time. There's one file called RLIT.msi.
yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
this one you need. Yeah, this one. It's installed. Huh?
Yes, maybe let's.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's installed.
Yeah. Lighting and solar.
Yeah, because now this one it's appear.
Yeah. So if you want lighting analysis, what you will have to do is lighting analysis, I think. So you click on the lighting analysis now.
I think.
So there are no floors here.
Okay.
Is there a floor there or no? Floors there.
Because it's electrical template, maybe.
Uh, okay. Can you open that architecture that one? I mean, it's not because of that, but yeah, we can do that in architecture one also. Can you open the architecture file? You can close this one because if you don't close this, then again link will be broken. Then again you will have to do reload from.
Okay.
And generally, if a link file is opened and the file which is linked is also open, both the things are open, then link is broken.
Yeah, this one task floor plan.
Yeah, so you can try here,
This is
lighting. Yeah, here it's working. Section box you can remove, no? Section box you don't need to keep. Just cancel it. Cancel it. Cancel.
This
So
can,
remove the section box.
section.
Yeah. this-
Remove section.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Remove.
And then you go to, I'll just first we will need to go to location. We need to provide the location. So we click on this, and here what is the location? Kingspin, right?
Yes.
Something like
I have the specific location.
you have, huh?
Yeah.
So you can put it there.
What?
You can just
Let us see. Let's open.
okay.
So this one. Okay. So what comes from Oh,
You can you click on search? Just click on search. Then you click on any one of them.
no, oh, this one, different one. Yeah, it show between two streets, so I have to be accurate, right?
No, I mean, yeah, if that is possible, then it's good. Uh, just click on
Yeah.
search first.
Yeah, yeah, one second. You see here,
Uh,
because it's between two streets. This is the one between this Franklin Adam and General. Okay,
yeah.
it's here. This
Okay. Okay. Right. So this is general.
can you search?
You'll try. So yeah, can you tell me the street name?
It's between Franklin Adam Street
Yeah.
and W General Cavizos Boulevard.
Services Building Boulevard. W General. I mean, is that camera? Services Boulevard, Kingsville. Which street was that? I mean, by number was it given or no? It was not given by number. Actually,
3. Yeah, it's in 16th Street also. Yeah, if this is 15th Street, you're gonna go to 16th.
it is
South.
15.
South 16th.
South 16.
Yeah, this one, South 16. Yeah, I think you are close.
Is this correct? Like this is E King Avenue, 141. And
No, I don't see this one.
this is not the one, right?
No.
E. Clayburg is General Kingsville TX 78
Yeah, 3.
363. We need to find out the station, where's the station near to that. 78363. This is correct, no?
Yes.
So it automatically took that, no? So this is Franklin Adam Kingsman. This is 5/6th. This is 6th Street, no? Where is this? Is
Yes.
16th.
6th, yes, South 6th Street.
South 6th. So I think we are 10 Street,
Oh,
right? So it's like that. So I think W King Avenue. And what is that? E. Clayburg Avenue. This is not E. Clayburg Avenue, right? Here you have Kingsman Adam. In between. Kingsman Apartment 5th. Franklin Adam. Franklin Adam. Going like this. This and this once again. Seems to be like this one, but can you put it also on? Can we put it on Google also? Just we'll check there.
yeah, what's the street here?
Yeah. Clayburg.
Cleveland.
Like we will put on. This is 16. This is north south, not 6th.
Yeah, I want south. Go south 6th.
This is south 6th. This is south 6th, I think where. I don't know here. So West Kennedy Avenue. This is not West Kennedy Avenue. This is. So we'll just check it on. Once we'll check it on, I think. On Google Map, can we search it like once we can be confirmed?
West Kennedy.
Just
Yeah.
on normal Google tab.
Yeah, even here in Google Map, it's not showing.
Not showing, huh?
Yeah.
I think we can.
Yeah, just put Adams, the Franklin Adam. The what's this? What's this? Yeah, Franklin. Yeah,
Adam.
maybe. Yeah, this street or Franklin Adam, then you can put okay.
What is that?
Here, go to PowerPoint.
Yeah.
Yeah, between put Franklin Adam Kingsville.
Franklin Adam.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
One 356. Cheers.
Yeah, first one.
First one.
Yes.
78363.
Yeah. Yeah, just little, but this one's okay.
Now this is total. Now we need to go in King 6th, north, south. Yeah, this is there, no?
Yeah, yeah, it must be here. Like
South.
6th Street. Not sure. Franklin Adam. Yeah, the W Caesar.
Should I go more in this here or?
Yeah, this is close. Go south. If you can go south. No, you go north. Go south. Go down.
Okay, so yeah.
Go more. Yes. Hey, this. You see this? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see. Go up. This
Upper?
is the. Yeah, up. Scroll up like
Yeah.
zoom out. Yeah, this is the place exactly. Yeah, here you see this area.
This is the area.
Yeah, this is the area.
FM 1356. Yeah, I think you're right. Let's check here. Yeah, it's 1356 here also. And this goes like this, and this goes like this. So this is 1356. It's mentioned here also. 1356. 1356. This is the one, right?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. 1356. But only it's yeah, this is the one. You're right. But it does not show this Franklin. This thing, no.
Yeah. Just maybe.
I think after zooming in, it will show. Anyhow, it's yeah, general. Says general. West general. This thing is there. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Thing, but yeah, but how do we?
Yeah, we have to drag the home signal, the home to this place.
Yeah, that is a weather station. Okay, 1 second, we'll check.
Yeah, you see this home? Yeah, drag it, move this one to, yes.
Here I'll put it.
No, what, top.
Top, huh?
Yeah, just go a little bit down. Yeah, down.
More down.
Yes, more. Yeah, here.
This is okay, no?
Yes, now okay.
This is 27 something minus 97. I mean the latitude and the longitude. Now this we have set, we'll just save it without any delay. and then we can do lighting analysis. But before doing lighting analysis, we need to, so before we do lighting analysis, we need to sun settings. We are going to do it on the still day, not for solar. We are not doing, just putting location is already there. So sun setting is generally for solar. Anyhow, we are not doing solar analysis for now, but in session still we need to provide, are we doing it for multiple day or single day? Or so multiple day we can provide. On what day you want to check?
All the summer, like from May to August.
Summer solar study from May to August.
Yes.
So May 2022, 2021.
Yeah.
May. To August. May to August?
Yes. Yeah. Anytime. Yeah, 21. Yes.
Sunrise to sunset. Right? Sunrise to sunset, right?
Yes.
Okay. Time interval we can take 1 hour, or we can take, let's see what other option. Time interval 1 hour. Time interval we can take for 1 hour. How much lighting it will take? We can take time interval as 1 full day. 1 hour, let's take for now. Okay. Now, because we need to make these settings, now we'll go to daylight analysis. New. And then we can. So daylight analysis will only tell us how much light you are able to achieve from there. So illuminance analysis, like generally we are doing illuminance analysis. We also have daylight factor, lead to the 9 and other factors also. Currently we are doing illuminance analysis. Okay, and then day and time already it's defined. We'll take it, or we can use weather data. So September, it is taking this, we'll take. (2021).
So this analysis, it must show the heat that's inside building, right?
No, this daylight analysis will show how much lighting is achieved naturally.
Okay. Yeah, I need the analysis that show how much heat, if you have problem with the glass.
Different analysis.
Like what kind of analysis?
How much, like for example, generally, you want to see how much heat is achieved by
the sun.
By the sun,
Yeah.
generally during the day, inside the space.
Yes.
So that analysis report is already available. That we do heat load, cooling load. One second, I will show you that. Let me just, I'll just show you this also, because this has direct application, but it will not show you heat. Just that's what I'm saying. It's a daylight analysis, lighting. It will only show us that this is the amount of heat I was able to achieve during this day. So let's suppose I say okay, apply, and so it will go to insight, and after few minutes we can see this analysis. Okay, we'll till the time this process, because it happens on cloud. So you see this, there is in the list say 0 of 7 jobs successfully.
Okay.
So it will keep on, I mean, we are free to. Then there is another,
So
thing called
that
heat load. Yeah,
it
it's
load.
called heating and cooling load.
Okay.
This heating and cooling load tells us that how much heat is, but heat will, what kind of heat, why heat you want to do? Because that heat I already gave it to Engineer Abdul Aziz. That I
Oh,
already did for him. Heat load calculation, he already has the report. And if you want again, so we will have to do it here with this. So there is an error. We will need to go to spacing and zoning. Oh, error were encountered with the one or more job. Please try submitting the analysis again or check the detailed status in.
yeah, we have to wait for the until analysis.
No, actually, 1 second. First of all, we need to change this to area and volume. Says it is failed. No problem. We'll run it again and then I will come back to this heat load analysis.
Yeah, I just need to know if there is too much heat inside because of the glass. So if this is the case, we can adjust the height of the glass and put ceiling. And after we put ceiling, then we can put the lights, you know.
Yeah. I got your point that you want to see how much uh, heat is absorbed by the glass.
Yes, because maybe if because there is no ceiling there, maybe if we need ceiling, then I have to like put the lights again on the ceiling.
Yeah. No, but there's one problem. No, like what you're saying, just want to see, because you want foot candela, no? How much generally what this lighting will do, it will tell you how much sunlight is falling, is is actually entering into the space inside.
Yes, this is what I need.
Yeah, so uh, that's not in heat, no, that is in foot candela. So that it will give, daylight analysis will give. So if let's suppose, as per your word file, as per the standard, if you need, for example, 20 25 foot candela, let's suppose, okay, if you need 25 foot candela, and if this area is has a glass, then it is going to take some daylight, and when there is daylight, it will uh, give some light already, so you don't need all the lights, artificial light. So if you are able to achieve 10 foot candela from natural lighting, you only need 15 more during the daytime. If your if the exhibition is going to be during the daytime only, then you don't need full light in the daytime, you can only achieve it by 15 foot candela. So lighting, I think this time it's, yeah, it's actually undergoing the process. It will happen this time. I think this only there was this issue. So let's wait. Uh, so this will give you how much lighting analysis you're taking. Another one is solar. It will give you how much kilowatt hour you are able to achieve from there. So if you want to know how much, if you are planning to put solar, then how much solar you should put, where you should put. For that, you have this solar analysis.
Okay.
Yeah, for if you want, solar panels. So where should you put the solar panel? How much energy will it produce? And uh, yeah, so these kind of things, what would be the payback period? All these things like that can be achieved from this other analysis. And the other is heat analysis, heating and cooling, which is generally used by HVAC engineer, not by lighting. For lighting, we don't need it. That is because how much tonnage of AC is required. How do you know? That depends on how much heat from the sun is coming into, not light, heat. So into the space. So in that case, if too much heat is coming, then we need higher AC capacity to make it more cool. You're getting my point, right? That is heating and cooling. So I
Yes.
think lighting will do for us.
Yes.
Still in the process. It'll take a little time, I think. Meanwhile, you can ask me other thing also.
Yeah,
Like,
sure.
yeah.
Like, because for next session, I hope on Thursday, inshallah, we have like, what I have to do. Like, do I have to just to put all the lights and receptacles? That's
Yeah,
that.
yeah. I mean, first thing we need to do is put all the lights, put all the receptacles. Then only we can put panels. After we put the panels, then we do looping, circuit creation, and when we do circuit creation, automatically we will get panel schedule. Panel schedule. Yeah, you showed me, in the Word file the last time. I think you showed me. So panel schedule will come after that. After the looping, once the looping is done, panel schedule will come, and panel schedule, then we can put for every panel, we can put panel schedule, and then after that we can connect transformer to the panels. So the word file that you showed me that you're going to put panel schedule. So that we will have panel schedule. We'll have circuiting, the looping plan that we will have for lighting and for receptacle both. And then what else we had the other day? You showed me that word file.
motor calculation.
Yeah, motor. Yeah, for pump and all, no.
Yes. No. Yeah. Motor has many for
plumbing and all, firefighting, plumbing.
Yeah.
Actually, see, first, what you need motor for, maybe for plumbing, for firefighting, pump and all, right?
Yes.
So for that, first we need to know what is the capacity of pump. Then we can, because first plumbing needs to be finished for that.
Because I remember, like, when I take the electrical course here, engineering course, there is a topic of motors and like
Okay.
yes, and motors, and so that's why I have to do the.
No, see, I'll tell you what happens is, we need to first find out motor is a support to pump, right? Right? Motor is connected with the pump. So the role of pump is to pump the water from one place to another place. Now, unless we know how much is the head is there's something called head. The pump needs to push the water from X to Y point. So depending on that, the motor will be supporting the pump. So that is, so I'm trying to tell you that we can put motor here. Like, see, I'll show you here. For example, if you look at this.
So you are saying first we have to do the pumping.
Yes, that we'll have to do. So because Let's check this. It's still not complete. 1 second. 1 second. I'll just mute for a second.
Hello, engineer. Hello. Hello, engineer Zim. Hello. واحد